Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArkLaTexHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marsas with your Friday morning forecast update. You can see that we do now have Tropical Storm Hanna in the Gulf of Mexico. This was previously Tropical Depression 8. It is a large storm if you just look at the area that it covers. So because of the size of it, even though we won't see any direct impacts from this, it is going to help to push a few showers and thunderstorms into the region today and also for your Saturday, which should drop our temperatures just a bit. But the currents on Hanna, it is moving to the west-northwest at about 10 miles per hour with wind speeds around 40 miles per hour. So now forecast to make landfall pretty close to the Corpus Christi area at some point this weekend. So again, the track is away from us, but the storm's so large, it is going to have a bit of an impact and help to kind of enhance the sea breeze across the ArkLaTex today, which should bring a few returning showers and thunderstorms to the region. Pretty warm morning, mid-70s for most of us, and your afternoon highs will be all over the board, and it just kind of depends what time we see the rain move in and also what time we see the clouds start to move in as well. But increasing clouds expected this morning. Should have enough cloud cover out there to hold a few locations in the 80s today. It's pretty manageable. Again, average highs about 94 degrees, so if we can get a day here that's in the 80s or low 90s, we'll take that, and we'll see many of these types of days through the weekend and into next week as well. There goes Hanna in the Gulf of Mexico. You can see some of the tropical bands of rain and thunderstorms associated with that moving on shore down towards New Orleans, and it's basically that same pattern that will be moving in a little bit later today. So here's a look at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast. Shows the increase in clouds through the morning here. Will likely begin to pick up just a little bit of rain south of I-20. So East Texas, Louisiana, including Shreveport, that's where our rain chances will be highest today. Texarkana, we could see some rain up in the I-30 corridor, but the rain chances honestly looking a little bit lower for you folks along I-30. One more cloud cover for your Saturday morning, which should help out with the temperatures again this weekend. And you see that band of showers and storms moving up and across the region on Saturday as well. So we'll have pretty decent coverage of the rain. Bottom line here is the weekend is not going to be a washout. So if you have some outdoor plans, I think you'll be just fine. But you may have to just kind of wait out a few passing showers and storms here. Futurecast still keeping the heaviest rain to the south of us. So south of I-20, still think we could see some locations maybe pick up an inch or two of rain. But at this point, it looks like we'll avoid any kind of heavy rain or flash flood threat due to Hanna, and decent forecasts for the next 7 days. We'll see the weekend highs in the upper 80s and low 90s. The wind will turn to the northeast on Monday. That may help to push a little bit of humidity out of here as well, and we should have highs in the 80s on Monday. The atmosphere starts to reload a bit. We do have a frontal boundary that will kind of stall across the region through the middle of next week, so that will keep those scattered storm chances. So expect highs will remain in the upper 80s and low 90s with those kind of afternoon and evening thunderstorms as we move through much of next week as well.